Picture this, you're out enjoying a morning jog when suddenly a dog leaps onto you and bites you. What happens next? Who's responsible? Is there any legal remedy for this situation? In today's video, we are going to unpack the legal options available if a pet bites someone in India. We'll dive into real-life court cases, explain your rights, and guide you on the steps to take if you find yourself in this situation. So, stay tuned. Dog bites are often becoming more frequent across India. And it's not just stray dogs that pose a problem. Pet dogs are also involved in these incidents. Whether it's an aggressive pet or a case of poor management by the owner, knowing your rights and responsibilities can make a world of difference. Today, we'll walk you through the legal aspects of dealing with pet bites and what can you do to protect yourself. Here's a summary of what we are going to discuss. First, owner's liability. The pet owner is legally responsible for the actions of their pet. 2. Compensation. Victims can claim compensation for medical expenses, trauma and other damages. 3. Legal steps. Reporting the incident and seeking legal advice are crucial steps. 4. Relevant case laws. Courts have set important precedents on this issue. 5. Recent updates. Courts are leaning towards stricter penalties for negligent pet owners. The law places the onus on responsibility on the pet owner. If the pet bites someone, the owner can be held liable for negligence. Section 289 of the Indian Penal Code specifically addresses negligence in handling animals and can result in penalties, including fines and imprisonment. In the case of Om Prakash versus Municipal Corporation of Delhi, the Delhi High Court held that the pet owner is liable after their dog bit a person. The court emphasized that pet owners have a duty to control their pets and ensure the safety of others. The judgment ordered compensation to the victim, highlighting the owner's responsibility to prevent such incidents. Victims of dog bites can claim compensation covering medical costs, psychological trauma, and other related damages. Courts consider various factors such as the severity of the injury and the circumstances leading to the bite. Compensation aims not only to cover physical injuries but also the emotional distress caused. Justice R.K. Jain once noted that the emotional trauma caused by a pet bite can be more significant than the physical injury, and courts should consider this when awarding compensation. The first step after a bite is to report the incident to the police. This action is crucial for legal documentation and further proceedings. Obtaining a medical report detailing the injuries is also essential, as it serves as a primary evidence for any claims made. In the case of Naveen Sharma versus Municipal Corporation of Delhi, the Delhi High Court stressed the importance of reporting dog bite incidents. The court discussed the responsibilities of both pet owners and civic bodies, emphasizing that proper management and awareness can prevent such occurrences. The judgment reinforced the need for strict adherence to regulations governing pet ownership. Legal representation can greatly influence the outcome of compensation claim. Lawyers can help navigate the complexities of the legal system, ensuring that victims receive due compensation and that owners are held accountable for their negligence. If a pet owner fails to control their animal and it bites someone, they can face criminal charges under Section 289 of the IPC. Besides criminal liability, pet owners may also be sued in civil court for damages leading to financial repercussions. In the case of Municipal Corporation of Delhi versus Subhagwanti, this case set a significant precedent in holding authorities accountable for negligence that leads to harm. The court's decision reinforced that negligence, whether by a pet owner or municipal authorities, cannot be overlooked and must be penalized appropriately. If you have ever been bitten or feel your rights have been ignored, here's what you can do. First, file a police complaint. Ensure the incident is officially documented. 2. Seek immediate medical attention. Keep all medical records as evidence. 3. Consult a lawyer for guidance on how to proceed legally. 4. Approach consumer courts if the pet was poorly handled or unregistered. 5. Public interest litigation or PIL. In cases of repeated negligence, consider a PIL to bring broader public awareness. Recently, the Punjab and Haryana court called for stricter enforcement of pet registration and vaccination rules, especially in urban areas. The court has emphasized regular checks and penalties for owners who fail to comply, underlining the need for greater accountability. Additionally, the number of legal battles related to dog bites have been rising, reflecting a growing public awareness and willingness to seek justice. Courts are increasingly leaning towards imposing stricter penalties on negligent pet owners to curb such incidents. Let's quickly recap. First, owner's liability. Pet owners are responsible for their pet's action. 2. Compensation. Victims can claim damages for injuries and emotional distress. 3. Legal steps. Reporting the incident is crucial for legal action. 4. Legal help. Lawyers can significantly help in securing compensation. 5. Recent changes. Courts are pushing for stricter pet regulations. If you are ever bitten by a pet, don't hesitate to take legal action. If you're a pet owner, remember it's your responsibility to ensure your pet doesn't pose a danger to others. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Have a question about legal rights? Drop it in the comments and we'll cover it in our next video. Stay informed, stay protected. Bye.